it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 of Vlogmas, and I am going to be doing the Glossybox All I Want for Christmas special edition box. Figured it was a good Christmas themed box. I got this maybe a week and a half ago, and I just hadn't gotten around to reviewing it, but I thought today would be a good day to go over it. So this is what the box looks like. Very pretty. I have been a little less than excited about Glossybox recently, and had been thinking about canceling it, but the most recent box that they are spoiling for December actually looks kind of nice, so I figure we'll see what it looks like. But anyway, this is what it looked like. I believe this was like $39 or $49.99, and then you got a discount as a member. And then I used a bunch of credits, so basically I got this for like 10 bucks. It was spoiled all on there before I purchased it, so I knew what I was getting, but I figured for 10 bucks it was worth it. And this box, like I said, is absolutely gorgeous. This is going to make a really pretty Christmas box. I like to use these boxes for gifts later. So, like I said, the top says All I Want. It has little gold emblems, very Christmassy. And I did kind of peek into this, but I really did not get into this. So you guys will actually get to see me unbox it and go through everything kind of fully, which is rare. But this is how they usually look when they're all pretty and packaged up. They've got a little bow. They usually put their thing on top. The packaging is beautiful. And this says it's the holiday limited edition All I Want from Glossybox. They always kind of have a little blurb in here, and then they talk about this, dear Glossies. Here they talk about stacking up your points to get free stuff, which, like I said, I used my points from reviewing these boxes to basically pay for this box. And then in here, they show you everything here. So I'm gonna put this to the side because this kind of gives me an idea of the price and a little description about the products. This is what it looks like. You've got this holographic sticker, and it says dignity, beauty, confidence, purpose, strength, laughter, and love. So very pretty. All right. So the first thing in here is this big old box of stuff here. And I knew that I was getting this. I wasn't that excited about it, but it's nice. It's the Raw Spirit Fragrance Discovery set, and I'm not going to open this up, and there's a reason why. But let me tell you a little bit about this product. So this is, they said it's featured size, so they don't tell you what their full size is, but this is $64 for retail. So already, this is the value of the box. There's 8.5 fluid ounce scents, and they're from shores of Bali to coast of the U.S. They're fragrances that let you kind of choose and discover. I don't like perfumes. I don't wear them. Sometimes I wear a body mist. They're just not my thing. And I know somebody that loves perfumes. And since it is Christmas, I'm going to set this lovely little thing aside and give it away as a gift. Because, you know, I want someone else to enjoy this. But this I'll show you on this little handout here. That's what they look like. They look like those little spray bottles. So there's 8 of those in this package. I'm going to set that aside as a gift. When we get into the rest of it, it looks like this. So the main product that kind of drew me to this was this here. Rituals of Ayurveda. I never can say these right. Soothing hand balm, and this is a Indian rose and sweet almond oil. I love their shower gels. They are expensive as all get out, but I love them. So when I find them on sale, when I see their different products and stuff, it tends to attract me because I just really love this brand. They had a big advent calendar that I really debated getting, but it was really pricey, so I did not get it. But I saw this in here and I thought, gotta get this box. So this here is full size is 17 ounces, which is 2.5 fluid ounces. This is 2.3 fluid ounces. Well, this is interesting. It says 2.54 is the full size as featured, but this says 2.3. But they're saying this is full size. This is $17. That is probably actually legitimately true for this. And it's a hand moisturizer, and it smells lovely, like all their stuff does. It has like this just soft, fragrant smell, not overwhelmingly floral, but a little bit of a floral, and then you can really smell that sweet almond. I actually have some of the foaming body wash in this scent right now that I'm almost out of, that I absolutely love, but this is awesome. I love this. This alone makes this box. This is what this full-size price is what I paid for this box, basically. All right, next product here is this Decorte Eye Glow Gem Glossy Eye Color. Let's open this up. I'm very curious about this. It looks like, let me read a little bit about this while I'm trying to get this open, if I can get this open. So this is a full size is $27, which is 0.21 ounces. So it's a tiny little thing. And it says that is the featured size here. My goodness. This is like Fort Knox trying to get in here. There's like a little rubber band. I couldn't find, you know, the thing that you pull to open it? I couldn't find it. So this almost looks like it may be a Korean brand just by looking at the writing and everything on here. But let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, that is very pretty. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, you can see my ring light reflection here. It's a cream shadow, and that's the color. That is a really pretty color. Oh, this is really interesting. If you can see, it's like a cream, but it almost has a jelly consistency. And that is what it looks like. It's not overwhelmingly tinted. It would probably be a better topper, but ooh, that is really pretty. Okay, that is really, really nice. Now, do I think I would pay $27 for this? Probably not. The case is really nice. This is glass. So, really pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So, let's see. They say that it is, you apply with your finger. And they apparently have 20 colors, and that it gives a 3-dimensional color. But yeah, that is really pretty. I'm very happy. I wish they'd send stuff like this in their regular boxes. This and this would make me super happy. All right, next product is this VDL Lip Cube Fluid Velvet. We've gotten some VDL, and I believe this is another Korean beauty brand that we've gotten in the past. Again, I have not opened this up, so sorry if I look like I'm struggling here to get these open. Alright, so this is the color. I don't know if I'm going to feel about this color, but this is $22 for 4 grams, which is the featured size. And this is, I'm just going to show you guys. I'm not necessarily going to swatch this. Yeah, this is a kind of an orangey brown color. The wand is misleading because the wand is like a pinky color. I'm not sure this color is going to work out for me, so I'm just going to close it back up and probably set this aside to give someone, just because I tend to not like liquid lipsticks, and this is not really a color that I go to, although that is kind of pretty. I'll have to think about this, but I'm going to set it aside because I don't want to dip into this if I end up deciding not to keep it, because I tend to, like right now, I'm literally just wearing some lip gloss, not even lip gloss, I'm wearing lip balm, the Dr. Lips lip balm. I don't know, this winter, that has been my go-to, and I'm almost out of my little sample size, and I'm seriously debating buying more. Alright, so it says that this delivers a bold, seductive color, and then it's supposed to have a lasting power, and then they say line your lips. So it sounds like it's just your traditional liquid lip. Alright, here is another product. I have a little sample of this, and I have not gotten into it, but I do like this brand's product. So this is Beauty Crop. I will try to link somewhere either above or below. I have a video on their Espresso Yourself palette. They also make these creme brulee lip glosses that we've gotten. I think it was in the Mother's Day box, and they're really neat. Like, it's one of the few liquid lipsticks that I actually kind of like. And I had a sample of this sent to me, I want to say in Birchbox, and I have yet to open it, but it's basically a a liquid highlighter. I haven't really gotten much into liquid highlighters. I will probably put my little sample size of this away in a giveaway and keep this full size, but look how cute that is. I'm just going to show you guys a little sample. Oh, that's pretty. That is really, really pretty. You see that? All right. Oh, yeah. That is nice. Okay, definitely. I will set aside the sample version of this that I have sealed that I haven't gotten into, and that is pretty. So this product here is $19.50 for 0.27 fluid ounces, which is the full size. This is the full size. The little sample size is a lot smaller, but a little of that goes a long way. So I had been curious about this. I just hadn't gotten around to try it. But I think I'm going to definitely play with that more. That is just really, really pretty. But yeah, like I said, Beauty Crop has some really nice stuff. I've been really happy with their products. Alright, here is another brand that I have wanted to try, but I've never gotten around to. This is the Wonder 2 Wonder Extension Lash Extension Stain Mascara. I am crazy interested in this one. What? There's nothing in here. It's empty. Oh, I'm gonna have to email them. There's a box. And there's nothing in here. This is supposed to be $22 as a full-size featured product. And it was supposed to have lash extension and stain the mascara. And the length could last for 3 days. Well, nothing in here. There's an empty box. So Glossybox, I was having more faith in you guys. I was starting to get impressed. You sent me the wrong box last month, albeit it was a better box. And now you sent me a box with an empty product in it. That's really poopy. Okay, well, I'll let you guys know if they fix this. But yeah, awesome. Alright, sorry, I don't want to be negative, but that's really sucky. The last thing here is this serum, 3-in-1 serum. This has hyaluronic, vitamin C, and retinol in it. I tend to avoid vitamin C. I love retinol and hyaluronic acid. This product is full size, which is featured, which is 30 mils, is $80. So this is a huge, expensive product. I'm just so bummed about that eyelash. I'm just sorry. I don't like being negative on my videos, but what a way to mess with the Christmas spirit. So this is what it looks like. It's a glass container. It's really pretty. I'm not going to get into it because, again, I need to play with some vitamin C again to see, but my skin has not been liking vitamin C, and I don't want to get into this and then, you know, waste it if I can give it to someone that can use it. So I'm going to set this aside until I kind of decide if I'm going to keep it or not. But that's it. I mean, the value is there. And the products that I got, I liked. The only one that I am going to give away is this. But yeah, that really disappointed me. So anyway, we'll see how Glossybox does with fixing this, and we will see how my December box goes, if they even send me the right box. And then I'm going to think real long and hard about whether I was going to keep them or not, because I have been disappointed multiple times now, and this is really poor customer. I mean, it's like, come on guys, there's nothing in this box. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I will try to post up something tomorrow. I'm almost at 200 subscribers and I have a whole bunch of goodies. I'm going to start doing some giveaways leading up to Christmas, so stay tuned. I will get those up. I have some really good goodies and some palettes and things to give away. So tell me what you guys think. Has anyone had that where they've gotten a thing and it just like is empty? And what did you think of this box? Was it worth it? I mean, I only spent like 15 bucks on it, so it's not like I lost money on it. But anyway, thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me likes, comment below. Thanks. Bye.